Catalytic converter theft is on the rise these days, and the reason is because of how expensive the converter is in the aftermarket. So to prevent your catalytic converter from being stolen, follow the methods explained in this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button to get notified when next I upload informative videos like this. 1. Park in well-lit areas. Thieves prefer to operate in the dark where they are less likely to be seen. Parking your vehicle in a well-lit area, such as under streetlights or in a busy parking lot, can deter thieves. The increased visibility makes it riskier for them to attempt a theft. 2. Install security devices. There are various security devices available that can make it much harder to steal your catalytic converter. One popular option is a catalytic converter lock or cage. These devices are designed to make it more difficult to cut the converter off. While they might not make theft impossible, they can significantly increase the time and effort required, which can discourage thieves. 3. Weld the catalytic converter. Some car owners opt to have their catalytic converters welded to the vehicle's frame. This makes it much harder to remove the converter quickly. A professional mechanic can perform this service, adding an extra layer of security to your vehicle. 4. Etch your VIN. Etching your vehicle's identification number onto the catalytic converter can be a strong deterrent. This makes the converter traceable and thus less attractive to thieves who want to sell it for a quick profit. It also helps law enforcement track stolen parts. 5. Install a car alarm. Many modern car alarms can be set to trigger if the car is tilted or if vibrations are detected. These alarms can scare off thieves who might otherwise attempt to use a saw to cut off the catalytic converter. Some alarms can be adjusted to be more sensitive to movement, providing an added layer of protection. 6. Use motion sensor lights. If you park in a driveway or a garage, installing motion sensor lights can be an effective deterrent. These lights will turn on when they detect movement, which can startle and deter thieves. The sudden illumination increases the chance that someone will notice the suspicious activity. 7. Park close to building entrances. When parking in public places, try to park close to the entrance of buildings or near the nearest road. These areas tend to have more foot traffic and visibility, which can discourage thieves. They are less likely to take the risk of stealing a catalytic converter where they could easily be seen by passers-by. 8. Adjust vehicle height. For vehicles with higher ground clearance, such as SUVs and trucks, lowering the suspension can make it more difficult for thieves to get under the vehicle to access the catalytic converter. This approach can be particularly effective for vehicles that are commonly targeted because of their easy access. These are the best ways to prevent your catalytic converter from being stolen. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you.